But guys, you people should know today we're going to Magic House.
We're going to the Magic House in St. Louis. Come on.
Ring around the rosy.
Ring around the rosy.
Shoes. Puma shoes. These are so comfortable. Good for walking, which we walk a lot. A lot of kids. Come to Magic House. Make sure you got some comfy shoes, man. Good job, Joe. You're doing a good job.
Mommy, look! I did something really good!
Like, subscribe. Well, that's not a shameless plug, is it?
I'm being artistic.
You're being what?
Artistic. And
Artistic.
Just doing it different that other people don't.
Yeah. Let me see it. Is that a heart in the middle? It's beautiful. What are you drawing, Lainey? Yeah, you don't know?
I'm just being creative.
You're just being creative. That's a good thing about the Magic House, isn't it? We can always be creative here, can't we?
This is glass painting. And you write on the glass and then you spray it and squeegee it.
What you got going on, bud?
I'm building a house.
You're building a house. Let's see.
This is a nap window.
You're building a 2-story house?
No, go make a 3-story house.
A what story?
A 3-story house.
3 stories? That's a big house, buddy. You sure it's gonna hold? Are you gonna be able to build a 3-story house? Have you got enough? I don't know if you have enough pieces. Look at you work. You're going fast. I'll check back in with you. Put it in. There it is. You gonna put it in again? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'll get it. What are you building? What are you building? Oh. You're gonna make a what? A tower?
This is called a light bulb orchestra. When they move the balls around, it makes a sound.
Colton, roll it.
It makes music.
And changes color.
It's pretty cool.
It's a great way to get energy out of the little ones.
We'll definitely need
closed off, so if you don't like loud noises or loud children, probably stay away from here. But they're having a blast.
She made in there.
Oh, that's cool.
You scan it and then they show you cut it out and glue it, and that's how you make the 3D house.
That's so Kaylee's here.
As you can tell, my favorite color is blue.
As you can tell. Alright, let's look at our house. Colton James. What is that? Is that our house, Colton?
It's even more classy than before.
Is that our house or our cage, Colton? Lincoln. What's wrong with my car? It's broke. How much is it gonna cost? How much is it gonna cost me to fix, sir?
It'll take 20.
20 what?
$21.
$21? Oh, thank goodness, that is a steal. You are a very cheap mechanic, which also makes me nervous.
You didn't know I need that seat. I need that suit on.
You need that? Oh,
Sir, I'm gonna steal your wheels.
hey, what is this? East St. Louis? Come on.
I'm gonna steal your wheels.
Don't steal my wheels, please. I need them to ride in.
The wheel is broken.
Oh, goodness. How much is that going to cost me?
That cost you $52.
52? Now you're going up in price. I don't know about you.
Colton's getting bread. They even have a shopping list. Things that's healthy. All of them are different, it looks like. Oh, Sunday breakfast list. And then a Friday night dinner list. That's cool. They have an ATM. This is at the bank. They have a place where you can write checks, make withdrawals, deposits, bank vaults. What is this? I think that's a thing for spending plan and a budget and stuff like that. And then they have safety deposit boxes that have jewels and such in it. This is really pretty cool.
I'm gonna go pitch with Dad.
And this is the office, Children's Village Bank. Pretty cool. This is like a clubhouse up the top, like a tree house. This is binoculars, but there's no binoculars.
How many slices did you Oh my god.
Lincoln's making a pizza. And Lainey and Colton are making pizza. It says
Mom, can you order pizza?
toppings, yes. And then the menu. This is cool. They don't even have these at actual restaurants, but you can get what you want. White, let's see, the red sauce, extra cheese, pepperoni, bacon, sausage, and onions. Oh, let's put some green peppers on it too. And you can place your order. Very cool. And they have like regular hand menus. They have doctors and nurse outfits and hand sanitizer and a place to make a birth certificate. Jolie's making a birth certificate right now.
I'm a grandfather.
Yes.
Is that what you're talking
We
about?
have the baby
This says
checklist.
that hot mama was born in the Children's Village Hospital. Wow, hot mama.
Number
huh?
one, the bathing
I felt
station.
really bad for their child. Our grandchild is named Hot Mama, by the way.
Diaper changing station.
I mean, it's gonna be hot when it grows old.
The weight station right here. And then the dressing station where there's
See what that scale
stuff. And then you have the 5 S's. Swaddling, shushing, swinging, sucking, and side stomach. Babies like to be held by their side or stomach when in cribs.
Is it
Baby should always,
Dr. Colton?
when in cribs, baby should always be placed on their backs,
Dr.
back to
Coleman.
sleep.
Doctor.
And here's all the books. And these are the Dewey Decimal System. And then this is a whole thing for Goodnight Moon, which is one of our favorite nighttime books. Turn the light back on.
At nighttime.
It's nighttime. Good night, Moon. Good night, little room. We have a book return, just like a real library. The neat thing about this whole place is that you can, a lot of the stuff goes together, like the bank and the money, like just like it does in real life. And the post office, every room has a mailbox. This is the waterworks. And I think Colton could stay here all day. He loves playing in water. There he is. Okay. This is the Wonderworks. It is awesome. They can climb up over here. They have an aquarium. There's lots of things to do in here. Hi, Colton. Colton, say hi. So in here, you color a fish and then scan it, and your fish will swim on the wall. It's really neat. Joel, what are you, a stingray?
I might find help. Hey,
Coral reef, ecosystem, flow school of fish. That's cool. This is really neat. A kelp forest. There's a lot to do in here. This is a changing exhibit. A shipwreck. Wrecked ship? I don't know. I am Gush, a frogfish. Dive in. Hi Colton, what are you doing? Okay. He's playing a game. He's good at games. Joey's stacking rocks.
Angel.
Kaylee and Daddy are stacking rocks.
It's not stacking rocks. It's a creation.
Oh, a creation. I'm so sorry.
See? Like that.
Very nice,
Sculpture.
Daddy.
It also kind of looks like a hamburger.
It does kind of look
I
like
do like
hamburger.
hamburgers, so it doesn't surprise me that my subconscious built one. It kind of looks like a Krabby
Look
Patty.
at what Lincoln did.
There's a goofy.
Kind of looks like a Krabby Patty almost.
There's a goofy hair.
Yeah.
And it's just plain goofy hair.
All right, Lainey is building a very, very tall tower. She did it once before, and then little brother did what little brothers usually do and knocked it down. Can she do it again?
something from
That's pretty impressive, Lane.
past the ocean's surface. Now you
Whoa.
Mr. Louis there.
This
Up
time,
there,
give me a light.
but they certainly do not
And there's little brother doing what little brothers do.
belong.
Don't knock it.
So now we've come to the part of the video where we tell what our favorite thing is that we did in the Magic House. So
We didn't do other.
we did not do all the things, but we did quite a few of the things. So what was your favorite thing, Jolie?
My drawing, which is you'll listen to it.
The art stuff?
Okay.
All right. Kaylee, what is your favorite thing to do?
Art place.
The art place? The first place we went was your favorite? Okay, Lainey, what was your favorite place?
Actually, the baby part.
The hospital, the children's hospital.
I would say
My
the
wobble
art
and my
place
hot wobble were the best.
I the art place and the baby place.
Okay.
That's my favorite. I would say the art place and those things where you
The 3D place was pretty cool. It's in the bottom of the stroller. All right, Lincoln, what was your favorite place?
My favorite place is
Was that the Lego thing that when you built the Legos? Or when you were playing with the cars? With Daddy? When you were playing with the cars with Daddy?
yeah.
Yeah? That was pretty cool.
You're a terrible mechanic, sir.
So that's our video. We did not at all go through the entire Magic House. It is a lot bigger than it looks on the outside. But we have a membership, so we will come back and we will post more videos from the rest of it. So be looking out for that. All right. We'll see y'all later. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.